Hello and welcome to today's video. Fatima and I are glad that you have joined us. Yes, Anne and I are very happy to see you here today. We have a lot to cover today. We are reviewing 2 boxes from SlayGlam box. There was delay in shipping and then the holidays and all of that, so we're a little bit behind, but that's okay. If you're here just for the palettes, there are timestamps down below. However, we encourage you to hang around and see all the wonderful stuff that comes with SlayGlam box. So let's jump right on in. First up is a lip pencil in a nice fall color. Next up from the Beauty Crop, we have 2 lippies. One is Bellini and one is Royale. I'm hooked at the moment on this one over here. I am hooked on Royale. Yes, that is a nice color. The other one is probably going to wind up in a future giveaway box just because I have so many that are in that shade or similar to that shade. And I've said it before, I'll say it again. This box is well thought out with the entire color scheme, color palette for the box. That being said, let's move right along. From Bella Pierre, we have a full set of eye products. Yes, this has an eyeshadow palette, a liquid eyeshadow, an eyeliner, and an eye primer. And although these are neat and intriguing colors, being that at the moment I'm getting lots of palettes, this will make a nice gift for someone. So I think I'm going to set it aside for that purpose. From Okalon, we have a nice eyeshadow palette. This has a good variety of shades. With the November box, we got the Beautiful 2 eyeshadow palette from Russia B Cosmetics. And I will do some swatches later. I am excited to be playing around with this palette. Moving along to the December box, we received red and green eyeliners and a mascara. Next up is a blush palette with some very nice shades that I think will complement my skin tone. And they also have 3 shades so I can mix and match if I need to. And I think this will be a good replacement after I finish using up a couple products. So this goes into the Q line for future use. This is from Bella Pierre. It is a 12 palette lip product. So you can use the shades as they are, or you can mix and match to create your own shades. I've never had a palette like this before, so this is something that I think I will be playing around with and see if I like just using the colors on their own or if I can mix up some interesting combinations. And last but not least, we have a wonderful Xmas Wishes eyeshadow palette. Yes, and this is the palette that was created in a collaboration between Rasha B Cosmetics and the YouTube content creator Just Anne. And I'm followed her channel for many years, so I was very excited to receive a palette that she helped to create. And today I am wearing a couple of the green shades. I am wearing Elf and I am wearing Garland. So we have seen a lot of products. Comment below. What products did you like the best? Did you get this box? Is it time for swatching? I want to swatch. Yes, it is time for swatching. Oh goody, oh goody, I want to swatch. I need a rush, I need a rush. Oh goody, oh goody. Calm yourself, Fatima. Calm down, girl. Whoa. Oh, but I'm excited, I'm excited. We can see that. Calm yourself. So today's palettes that we will be swatching are from the October box. This is the Bonfire palette. It had a hard time in transit and arrived to me looking more like a bunch of palette poof. So Rasha and SlayGlam box were kind enough to provide me with a replacement palette for October. And then we have the November palette, which is beautiful too. So we will be swatching that. And of course, we have the December palette, Xmas Swatches, and we will be swatching that as well. Oh, goody, I am excited. Cue the music. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job with the swatching, Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. Which palette did you like the best? Do you have a favorite? I can't pick my favorite. I like them all. I agree. I cannot pick a favorite out of the three. I do like them all. So getting down to the nitty-gritty of things, you mean the pricing. Yep, I mean the pricing. This box is $24 a month. The shipping is free. By the time you add in tax, I'm at almost $26. And I feel I'm getting a good value for my money with the amount of things that come in the box. The Bonfire palette, which was the replacement from October, that has a retail of $33. And I believe it is still for sale on her website at Rasha B Cosmetics. For the November box, the Bella Pierre makeup set called Purple Storm, I couldn't find that, but based on what I was seeing on the internet, I think that retails for about $15 or $20. This box doesn't come with a card, so I go around and I look up prices just to give us all an idea of what we're getting for our $25 and change. The Oaklawn Sweet Color Palette was $13. The lip pencil was $3, and that was in the shade 024 Glam. The Beauty Crop Lippies are $11 each, and that was Royale and Bellini. And the Beautiful No. 2 from Rasha B Cosmetics, that palette is $39, giving us a $92 total for the November box. That's a very good investment return. Yes, I think that's a very good return investment, whatever you want to call it, for $25 and change. Moving on to December pricing, the crown eyeliners are $5 each. The Okalon mascara is $5. The Okalon 3-color blush is about $8, give or take. The Bella Pierre 12-color lip palette I saw listed as $50. And the Xmas Wishes palette, which is now sold out, was listed at $45, which gives us a total of $118. So again, an excellent return for the investment of the price of the box. So thank you for joining us today. Please be sure to check out my description box below if you haven't done so already. There's all kinds of links and codes down there that you might find interesting. And stick around, there might be a video popping up that you haven't seen yet. Remember to comment if you haven't done so. If you would like to subscribe, we would certainly appreciate it. And we hope to see you again in another video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.